Plural nouns. How do you change nouns to plural? Singular and plural nouns are very common in the English language. You use them when you are speaking and writing. When reading, you can experience them. Therefore, especially plurals play a vital part in the English language. There are a few things you have to consider when accurately making plurals. Step 1. Regular nouns. The letter S has to be added to the end of the noun. Regular nouns add S. One car, two cars. One dog, two dogs. One book, two books. One house, two houses. An apple, two apples. One pen, two pens. One desk, two desks. One shoe, two shoes. One finger, two fingers. One leg, two legs. Step 2. Words that end in a vowel and the letter Y. Adding the letter S to the end of the word. Ends in vowel plus Y. Add S. One day, 2 days. One key, 2 keys. One boy, 2 boys. One donkey, 2 donkeys. One tray, 2 trays. Step 3. Words that end in a vowel and the letter O. Adding the letter S to the end of the word. Ends in vowel plus O. Add S. One zoo, 2 zoos. One radio, 2 radios. One stereo, 2 stereos. One video, 2 videos. One kangaroo, 2 kangaroos. Step 4. Words that end in the letter S, letters CH, letters SH, the letter X, or the letter Z. We can make plurals of those words by adding ES to the end of the word. Ends in S, CH, SH, X, O, Z. Add ES. One bus, 2 buses. One match, 2 matches. One dish, 2 dishes. One box, 2 boxes. One quiz, 2 quizzes. Step 5. Words that end in a consonant and the letter Y. Important, the letter Y is to be removed and add IES instead of that. Ends in consonant plus Y. First remove Y and add IES. One city, 2 cities. One baby, 2 babies. One story, 2 stories. One party, 2 parties. One country, 2 countries. Step 6. Words that end in the consonant and the letter O. To make plurals, add ES at the end of words. Ends in consonant plus O. Add ES. One hero, 2 heroes. One echo, 2 echoes. One tomato, 2 tomatoes. One potato, 2 potatoes. Different. Piano, pianos. Photo, photos. Step 7. Words that end in the letter FO, letters FE, have to be removed FO, FE and add VES to make plurals. One leaf, 2 leaves. One wolf, 2 wolves. One life, 2 lives. One knife, 2 knives. Different. Roof, roofs. Cliff, cliffs. Step 8. Irregular nouns. Changing the nature of the singular noun. There is an obvious difference in the pronunciation of plurals. Irregular nouns. One man, 2 men. One child, 2 children. One foot, 2 feet. One tooth, two teeth, one mouse, two mice, one person, two people. Step 9. There are some words in the English language. There is no difference between singular and plural nouns. No change. One sheep, two sheep. One deer, two deer. One fish, two fish. One series, two series. One species, two species.